All right, today is December the 1st, 2016, and right now at 12:10 a.m. we have a temperature of 42 degrees. The relative humidity is 63%. We've got a dew point of 30 degrees, and the barometer is reading 30 inches even. And we're looking at the western U.S. water vapor loop. We have a jet stream flow right here heading right into California. Let's go look at the bigger map first. This is the Northeast Pacific. We have jet stream flow right here. We have a rapidly intensifying hurricane force system right here, which is right on the jet stream. And all of this was moving right into California today. We had chemtrails in the northwestern skies and out on along the coast where this jet stream is moving in. We could see a lot of chemtrails. It was not too heavy, but we can see what's happening here. The jet stream is being chopped up by high pressure being installed right here. There's a transmitter cutting a path right through here, and that will redirect this moisture field right here. So we've got flow right into California. We've got the chemtrails as usual to maintain low relative humidity. And the key thing for all the new viewers is that the chemtrails are sprayed at precise times, and every time there is a moisture field arriving in California, we always see the jets up spraying, and that lowers the relative humidity. It causes a capping inversion condition, and that will prevent the lift, and preventing the lift will stop the precipitation process. So a lot of people don't know what these chemtrails do. If they're just contrails, water vapor, they're not. These are chemtrails, and they're not water vapor. They're a different color than natural clouds. If we look at the MODIS Today map, we see that the chemtrail mix is a light gray. It's an off-white light gray. It's very easy to determine looking at the color satellite images from space. When we look down close up on Southern California or Washington or wherever, doesn't matter where you look, these aerosols are they're a different color. Like I say, they're a light gray, and so they are always sprayed anytime we have a condition like this where we have a shot of rain. We've got this river of water that runs right through the upper atmosphere right here, and every time California gets a shot of rain, a chance of rain, we see a manipulation occurring, just like what we're seeing here. Now we have two upper level lows, one over here, right about here, and the other one is right just south west of Hawaii. We can see that spinning right there. And this is an upper level low. This has a transmitter on top of the this upper level low, and that will prevent this system from developing. We have counterclockwise rotation, and this transmitter will maintain a controlling condition on top of that storm, so it will not develop as long as they keep that transmitter right on top of that system. Same with the same with this system right over here. This is being chopped up. We've got not only we've got a transmitter right through here, chopping up this moisture field to maintain separation between this jet stream flow and also this tropical moisture flow towards Mexico. So we have this channel built in right through here. But more importantly, we see this happening today. This is just formed, pardon me, in the last 6 or 7 hours, this feature right here. And if we look at the infrared map, we can see the effect that's having. All this moisture right here is just evaporating. It's disappearing, dissipating. Take a look at this in the next map. All that right there is just completely getting wiped out. And there is some moisture right here moving into central and southern California. Now, I just was outside, and I could see the trails. They're spraying around the area because of this moving in. Let's take a look at the, I'll have to refresh that. Come back to that in a minute. But basically, we've got a good shot of rain here if the manipulation was not occurring. Let's go ahead and look now at the western U.S. water vapor loop. We can see the manipulation occurring right here. They're chopping this up, cutting it up with a transmitter right here, and that will blockade and redirect this jet stream flow, and that will prevent the rain that this would deliver to California. So between what's going on here and the planes that are out spraying, these people, these terrorists that are controlling our weather, have a complete lock on our weather, and they disseminate the weather reports to the television news puppets that report the weather. And we're expecting strong Santa Ana winds by Friday, Saturday time frame, and that is probably because of we've got this hurricane force system right there. Let's go back to the big map and take a look at it right here. And we've got the jet stream moving. We have actually two systems, one here and one here. This one has got a transmitter blockading, separating these two. So this will be forced to move down on the jet stream, at least for the time being. It'll move up and then down right towards California. So what they're doing right now is they're setting up this high pressure zone right here. And between that and this upper level low, I'm not sure where this is going to move, but we do have strong winds forecast. So they're setting this up right now to block this thing right here. Okay, let's look at the Doppler map. We do have some rain right out here. And of course, we'd have a lot more rain if these transmitters were not manipulating our weather. See, this is all manipulation here. This is trying to move north, this tropical flow right here, and it's just sort of dissipating and evaporating all through here where this channel has been built in, installed with a transmitter right through there. And we can see the evaporation right through here as all this moisture moves towards California. Some of this is moved in. We've got, like I said, we have about 65% relative humidity right now. By Friday, Saturday, they're expecting less than 10%. We're talking single-digit relative humidity. With everything that's going on here, we have two upper level lows. We've got this jet stream, and they're calling for Santa Ana winds and maybe 8 or 9% relative humidity in Los Angeles. All right, here's the SSCC map, the water vapor map. And we can see that upper level low right here, just off of California. There's another one over right here, spinning right over Hawaii, right there. This has a transmitter on it. We can see that big dark area. Okay. Now here is the surface analysis map. And we can see that we've got this huge high right here. We've got a couple of lows up here by the Aleutian Islands. And right out here is this developing hurricane force storm, rapidly intensifying, it says, moving to the east-northeast. That will have to move over this high pressure they've got installed, building in right now. This is actually not really representative. They got that narrow channel we were just looking at. That's being built in to completely stop the jet stream flow into California. All right, so let's look next at the this is the surface map, surface pressure map. And that's the high pressure there. We've got, here's a high right here as well. And we have this upper level low, high pressure out here. And the 500 millibar, we have some manipulation going on right here. High pressure shown right all through this area. And then we have the 300 millibar and showing these two upper level lows, one near Hawaii right there, southwest, and this one right over here, which is being blockaded by that channel of this thing right here. Right here, and we got that upper level low right here. And all of this, we can see the flow pattern wants to move right towards California. and everything is being blocked from the south. Rain from the south is being blocked towards California. We have rain from the west. We've got a blockade right here filling in. This has just started to build up about 6-7 hours ago right here, and that will block this flow right there. Okay, so that's the report, and the criminals running our weather need to be held accountable. Okay, so that's it. We'll do another one later.